Everybody has their own journey when it comes to how they're going to conquer the corporate world.
I reached a ceiling and I wasn't able to progress.
100% of the time, the companies I was applying for required the CISSP.
To be taken seriously in security, you got to have the CISSP. I wanted to be taken seriously.
I want to be as high on the food chain as possible.
Everyone wants to get it if you're in security. Not everyone has it.
The CISSP was the cream of the crop.
It's the top creme de la creme certification to have.
It's a game changer.
It really helped me to build my network and kind of develop my tribe.
Every engineer that's on our team right now has a CISSP.
ISC2, when you think of certifications and gold standards, I think of their certs first.
I wanted to do it. I wanted to have it to my name, and I put it everywhere, just so everybody sees that I have it.
If you get a CISSP, it's going to take you to that next level in your career.
I will always keep my CISSP.
Having that, being a leader, all the experience is what makes the CISSP great.
My name is Ryan Williams Sr.
My name is Linton Harris.
I'm Yvonne Rivera.
My name is Chris Ramos, and I'm a CISSP.